The thing is, our door panels are only $40 if you do have this problem and you need to replace them. They're $40, and outside you find them for $150 to $120, which means you make a $80 profit on one door panel. Hey guys, my name is Jacob, and we're in the Hyundai section to see what profit we can make on these cars. Let's get started. So today we're going to be talking about a common problem on these Hyundai Sonatas, and most of them, if I'm being honest. The lock here, there's no way to open the door. You have to break the door panel to get to it to change it out. The thing is, our door panels are only $40 if you do have this problem and you need to replace them. They're $40, and outside you find them for $150 to $120, which means you make a $80 profit on one door panel by itself. So the next flip that we can make with the Hyundai section is the center console for the radio. Usually the switches go out, the covers get all torn up, doesn't look nice. We sell them here at $47, while you find them online for $160, which means you make a $110 profit with buying it with us. So now we're going to be talking about this 2013 Hyundai Veloster. Beautiful car, beautiful hood. Right now this hood is going for $70 with us. Outside in the internet, you find it for $270, which means you make a $200 profit with this hood with us. From the same 2013 Hyundai Veloster, we have these beautiful tail lights, both sides. They're going for around $55 here at our lot. Out in the market, you find them for $256, which means you make a $200 profit on two tail lights. All right, guys, so now we're going to be talking about this 2011 Hyundai Sonata leather seats. Each one is running you about $57 without taxes included. Online, you're finding each one of these leather seats for $200. It's a great profit. You make about $140 profit on these. All right, guys, thank you for coming with us to see our large selection of Hyundais that we have here in our lot. You've seen how much profit you can actually make with these parts. So if you can comment down below, subscribe, and also let us know what parts you're looking for. We're gonna make a video about that too. Thank you. You guys have a good day.